girl Extreme Beauty Therapy. Today I'm super excited. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make super effective whitening body scrub. Like if you watch one of my video, the one with how to make 7-shade whitening body lotion that I told you guys is my best selling for this year. Some people have been inboxing me to ask what kind of scrub that they can use alongside with it, since I said that they should use this cream with a very good whitening scrub, especially for those that their skin hardly respond to products. And they have been on my inbox asking me, telling me to make a video on a very potent whitening scrub. So that's why I take out my time today to tell you guys that we are going to be making the scrub today live and direct on this channel. So you trust your girl now. Anything you ask, you always get it. So this scrub is very active. Let me advise you, before you make this scrub or before you use this scrub, you can decide to make it or you can decide to get our own. We have all the products in our shelf. We also have the raw material, so in case you want to make it yourself, you can still get your material from us. Then you can make it, or if you don't just want to go through the stress, we can produce for you while you sell or you use it for yourself. So if you're the one that your skin is very tender, please, I am begging you guys all in the name of God, because as you can see me, my skin is very tender. So you don't need to use this scrub like 3 times in a week normally as you use your scrub. You're gonna use it just 2 times in a week or once in a week. Like I myself, I use this scrub just once in a week because it's very good, it's very strong. But if you know that your skin is hard and you want to lighten up and things have not been working for you, like you have a dark elbows, if your elbows is dark, then you have knuckles, you have dark feet, you can pay attention scrubbing those places with this scrub, and you are going to see a very good effect. As far as the product you are using, it's original. You are going to see the difference. Then if you want us to make it for you, we'll be here for you. So we'll be here to make it for you also. Just tell us what you need, then use this scrub twice a week. For the one that has hard skin, you have discoloration. But even if you have, I understand some people, they have their skin texture is very soft, but they still have those maybe brown patches, just some discoloration like that. You can just use the scrub like once a day, and every other day you can just be scrubbing those places that you are paying attention to. Use it to scrub your knuckles. So let me not take much of your time. So let's get back to the workstation. So you guys are gonna see how we are going to make this scrub live and direct. So guys, this is our workstation. Let me first of all introduce you guys to all the ingredients we are going to use for this scrub. Here we have a morrocan active plus morrocan peeling cream. It's a whitening scrub, though it's creamy, so that's why it's called whitening and peeling cream for morrocan bath. It's used for morrocan bath. It's a very strong whitening booster, so we are going to use this. Then here we also have active plus lemon scrub. It's whiten and it's soften. It's for face and body. This is what they wrote, but don't use it on your face because it will be too harsh on the face, because the face doesn't need anything that is too strong. So we are going to use this. And here we have our Beautify spa salt scrub. It is made with herbs and milk extracts, which is the natural moisturizer to keep the skin soft and smooth. So we are going to use this scrub also for what we are doing today. And here we also have another scrub. Here we have a Amos White Beautiful Girl. This is a deep sea mineral salt combined with deep sea ice water. It's very good. It's very good for the body. It gives instant smoothing to the body. It helps to exfoliate. It also moisturizes. All these things I'm introducing to you guys, it does not only exfoliate, because once you exfoliate and you don't have enough moisturizer there, it's not going to be nice. But this scrub, all of them, they do exfoliate and they also whiten, they also moisturize. So those are the first scrub we are using. Here we also have a rice powder. Rice contains lactic acid, which is a good option for making your very active body scrub. And here we have our glutathione powder. This is L-glutathione powder. This is the highest grade of glutathione powder. It's very good. And we have here our vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 is also called niacinamide. We are using this, and this is very good for spots. This vitamin B3 is good for spots. It helps on discoloration, pigmentation of the skin. So we have here a snow white powder, we have here a kojic acid powder, we have here a salsalic, we have here a licorice powder. These are white licorice powder. Licorice powder is as white and brown, but we are going to use white for what we are doing today. And we also have here latic acid. This is 90% latic acid. We are just going to use this in drops because it's very strong. Then we have here a jasmine oil. We have here a salsalic acid for deep exfoliating. We have here a papaya injection serum. We also have here a goat milk powder. We have here a Labjani's treatment oil. It's gonna really help to treat the any dark parts, be it dark knuckles, dark elbows, dark feet. It's gonna be nice. We are using this. Then we also have here essential oil. Anything you are making, please just try to add some essential oil to anything you are making, so it's gonna prevent any harshness. If the product wants to give some things that the essential oil will actually help to tame it down. So we have here lemon essential oil. Lemon treats the skin and it also whitens. And we have here sweet orange. All these are citrics, they are from the citric family. And we have here our glove essential oil. So let us start with the making of our scrub. So we are starting with the mixing of the scrub. We are going to use 1 cup of this. This scrub is very good for moisturizing. We are using 1 cup of this. Then we are going to use 1/2 cup of this scrub. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing here. We are using 1 cup of this. Then we are still going to use 1 cup of this. Always be very careful with your measurements. Make sure your measurements are correct. So we are using 1 cup of this. We are going to use 1/2 cup, 1/4 cup rather, of Beautiful Girl. So let's stir it together. So we have here her rice powder. We're using 1/4 cup of our rice powder. This is milk. This is 50 grams of milk. Goat milk powder. It's a moisturizing scrub. That's why it's looking like this. The oil content in it is much. So these are these are Snow White powder. 1 tablespoon. These are kojic acid. 1 tablespoon as well. So you stir it together. This scrub will help to exfoliate dead skin cells. It will whiten to slow down the aging process. We have here our Filipino set. This is the solution. And this is the powder. Remember guys, all skincare products are available for sale. All Promix products are available. We deliver nationwide. This is a Labijani's treatment oil. Try to use this scrub if you are having difficulties on your skin. Brown patches, dark spots, discoloration. Try using this scrub 3 times in a week. And when you just want to whiten up, you don't have those stuffs, you can just use it like twice in a week. Like myself, I use this scrub once in a week. We have here glutathione. Salsalic acid. This is 25 grams. I've measured this out already. So you are going to take your time to stir this very well when you add your salsalic acid, so you will be sure that it has dissolved very well, so it's not going to form lumps into your scrub. Then we have here our essential oil. This is a sweet orange essential oil. 3, 4, 5. We use 10 drops. We are using 3 drops of glove. And we are using 5 drops of lemon. We still have your latic acid for deep exfoliating, just a little. Then we have the adjustment fragrance. guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you will get notified anytime we have if you know you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you will get notified anytime we have a new video in this channel. Why I concentrate on stirring it anytime I add something is because I don't want it to be lumpy. That's why. So don't forget, we still have here our vitamin B3. We are using 2 tablespoons. Then we have here our glutathione powder. We are using 1/4 tablespoon, very little. This is what we are using. Share this video to families and friends. If you are making this scrub, make sure what you are using is original. Please make sure what you are using is original. It's a very strong moisturizing and whitening scrub. I sell this alongside with my 7 shade whitening lotion. So for those that has inboxed me, they have been on my WhatsApp or call me that I talk about strong scrub, and some let me know that they have spa salts. I've told you guys that spa salt is just there. It does nothing, it's just there. So when you I mean strong scrub that is very effective. So please make sure what you are using for this product is original so you get the results I'm getting. So guys, thanks for watching. Here is the scrub. This is how it looks like. This is the outcome. So these are they. So please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and I'm gonna list all the ingredients we use on the comment section. My number is going to be there, so if you want to contact me for anything, for inquiries, for advice, you feel free to call or WhatsApp me. Thanks for your time. Please, when you do this scrub, kindly drop your comments and have a nice day. Bye.